a new and unique feature on Skyscanner. Hey guys, this is Ozzy from Wanderlust Syndrome, where I provide unique views, advice, and stories for you, the passionate traveler. Skyscanner is an awesome app to use. You can get it on your phone or on your computer. For those of you who don't know what Skyscanner is, Skyscanner allows you to find affordable flights, hotels, and car rentals. What Skyscanner does is it takes all the price information from different airline companies as well as Kayak or Expedia, and you get to see the different prices of airline flights throughout the entire airline industry. For those of you who wants to get a detailed explanation of Skyscanner, I have a link that I will post either up here in the description box or in the comment section. I suggest you check it out if you've never used Skyscanner. I've used Skyscanner for many of my trips and it has helped me save a lot of money while getting the best deals to get out to certain countries or states. Today I'm going to show you an awesome, unique feature on Skyscanner to help you be able to travel during this time. As we know, COVID-19 has plagued us since 2019 onward, and if we want to travel throughout the world, this is a useful feature on this app. I suggest you check it out, and we're going to take a look at this new feature.
So here is the Skyscanner on your computer. You can also get this on the app, which is awesome to use. As I said before, I've used this site or app to be able to afford affordable flights. An excellent feature that's been added to Skyscanner is the COVID-19 Map Tracker, which is down right here, as you can see. Before we get into it, we're going to look at the colors. Now, this is the restriction level. Green is low, orange is moderate, red is major, and gray is unknown. So if you're trying to look for that, you might have to do your own research for the gray ones just to get more information depending on where you go. But for this tracker, there's not a whole lot of unknown. So we're going to go inside and check this out. I clicked view live map. As you can see, it is loading. As you can see the COVID-19 travel info. So you're going to base it from where you're traveling. In this case, I'm going to be traveling from my home country, the United States. You can change this to whatever country that you're going from, and it's going to change the map. As you can see, I go from Thailand and it changes colors. You can do South Africa, it will change it. And we'll do another example. Let's see, like Israel. So it will adjust depending on where you're planning to fly from. I'm going to go back to the United States because that's where I'm going to do all my flying from. And it goes back to here. Alright, as I said before, green means low restrictions, orange means moderate, and red means major restrictions. So the good thing about this is that you can expand this and get a better view of the world map. For this COVID-19 tracker, you can zoom in, zoom out. There's some islands you might want to go, but you need to figure out what the COVID-19 restrictions are. So we can see I'm going up to Marcus Island just to get close so I can hit it and be able to see the information or be able to see the color. I'm going to move this back. But the good thing about this feature is that you can get a lot of important details such as, let's go with a red country. Let's go with Australia. Awesome country to go to. I love Australia. It's a wonderful country. I recommend you go there when you're allowed to go. Alright, so this gives us very detailed information about Australia and its restrictions and policy for COVID-19. So obviously on the right side you see major restrictions, the country name, and this information is key to helping you plan better if you plan on traveling to these countries. So right here we got on arrival, quarantine required. On return to in this case, I will return to the United States. There's no quarantine. It gives you quarantine information, how many people have been infected, and the rate it has been going up or down, depending on the period. Down here, you get the information, like passengers are not allowed to enter Australia. Australia has closed off its borders at the moment. And it tells you who this does not apply to, apparently Australians, their families, and so on. Any passenger can be subject to presenting a travel declaration form when coming to Australia or through Australia. So if you're flying through Australia to go to another country, you might have to provide that form saying that you don't have any symptoms or anything dealing with COVID-19. If you're going to be in Australia, somehow you get to Australia, you have to quarantine for 14 days at first point of entry. That's going to be important for a lot of people who are trying to travel internationally, because if you're trying to go to a certain country, you might not have those vacation days or business days, whatever you get from whatever you want to do to be able to go to Australia, because you have to sit for 14 days. Obviously, I wouldn't go, and I wouldn't recommend anyone try to go to Australia right now, because that's 2 weeks of staying in a hotel, not doing a whole lot. I don't know about you, but that's pretty boring to me and a waste of time. So we're going to exit out of this and go to an orange country, like let's go to Mexico. Alright, so as you can see on the right hand side, you see moderate restrictions. Mexico, quarantine is not required. Quarantines not required going to Mexico or coming back from Mexico to the States. The COVID-19 cases this week, this updates every week. That's the wonderful thing. Honestly, it's been up for 32%. That might be important for some people considering to go to Mexico. Maybe they are uncomfortable after seeing that number. That's what I like. It keeps changing, it's updated, and it gives you current information to help you make your decisions when you go. Alright, and it also tells you important documentations you need, such as this one right here. You need all that. You need to fill that out, and they give you the website to go to get that form, which is awesome. So it saves you a lot of time if you plan on going to Mexico, which is awesome. What I love about this down here is that you can hit this button, you can get travel updates, you can fill out your email address and your country, and it lists all the countries that you want to get travel info on about COVID, which I love. This is awesome. This will save you a lot of time and help you plan. Now the last country, we want to go to a low country, so let's see, Brazil. We'll do Brazil. Alright, so you get all the information as before. You get all the important information that you need. So this is very good. This helps you as a traveler be able to make decisions, make wise, educated decisions on what you want to do. Some people want to travel at this period, so other people don't, and that's fine, as long as people know the risks and consequences of doing either one. Now, I'm not sponsored by Skyscanner, just to let you guys know. I just love Skyscanner. I have used them many times before, They are a wonderful company, and I have afforded many trips with them. They're just an awesome They're just an awesome company. I can't say enough about Skyscanner. I love them, and this feature makes it even more important to get this app on your phone, or you can use the computer. I recommend using this if you want to save money on tickets, on plane tickets. Also, they do hotels and car rentals. So they're really awesome. They're really good. I really love Skyscanner, and I can't say enough great things about them. I highly recommend that you download it on your phone or use it on a computer if you're trying to save money on your trips, wherever that may be.
Hi, my name is Ozzy Henry, and you're on my channel, Wanderlust Syndrome. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and share this video, and come along with my journey as I explore the world and sharing unique views, advice, and stories.